Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. So today we're going to look at how to block friends on Facebook. So if there's someone you want to block on Facebook, there are a few ways to do it. So first of all, you can click on your messenger. If there's someone in your messenger that you want to block, you can click on that chat, click on the profile name drop down menu and scroll down and you will see a block option here. So you can click on that and block them from there. Another way to do it is by clicking on the top right hand profile picture of your account, and from there settings and privacy, and then settings. So from here you should see a blocking tab. If not, you can search for it in the settings. You're going to click on there and you should see a bit that says block profiles and pages. So from here you can edit that, and if you blocked anyone you can see your blocked list, or you can add to this blocked list. So from here you type in the name of the person, so say it's Sam, and you can look for the person you want to block here. The only thing is here it might show you names of people that are not on your friend list, but it should show you the people with that name that are on your friend list as well. But this is a good way if you want to block someone that maybe isn't on your friend list. You can still block them before they become a friend. So all you do is click on block and then click confirm, and that person will be blocked and they'll no longer be able to see your post or profile, tag you, invite you to events, message you, or add you as a friend. So I hope that was helpful. Give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. I will see you soon.